Dear students, good morning to you all. Good morning. Today our topic continuation of rectification of errors. In the previous class, I explained the errors which are not disclosed by trial balance, the errors which not affected the trial balance, errors for which suspense account is not required. Understand? There are two-side errors. Two-side errors. There is a debit, there is a credit. So there is no need of suspense account. Understanding? Now I am going through the second part. What it is? Errors disclosed by trial balance. Affected the trial balance. They are also called one-side errors. Well, dear students, one-side errors, the trial balance not tallied. There is a debit shock or there is a credit shock. When you are going through rectification, when you are passing rectifying entry, you know only one debit. You don't know the credit. That must be suspense. Or you know only the credit. You don't know the debit. That must be the suspense. Understanding? In the entry there must be debit part and credit part. Debit aspect and credit aspect. Only you know one aspect. The second must be suspense account. Understanding? Now, I am giving some examples along with rectifying entries. Number one, one account balance not taken in the trial balance. Well, dear students, one account balance not taken in the trial balance. So automatically trial balance may not be tallied. Understanding? How it will be tallied? One item you have one account not taken directly, so the trial balance cannot be tallied. Suppose an example. Building account 1 lakh not taken in trial balance. Babu, please listen sincerely. Understanding or not? Any problem, please ask me. ఒకటి కాదు రెండు కాదు 100 డౌట్లు ఒకేసారి అడగండి షేర్ ఖాన్ 100 డౌట్లు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Please listen sincerely. The building account 1 lakh not taken in trial balance. Building is an asset. It must be debit balance. So it must be taken into books, means it must be debited. Building account at all. The rectifying entry RE is equal rectifying entry. Building always debit. So building account at all. Two suspense because you don't know credit. There is no credit. Understand or not? Building always asset must be debited. Building account at all. Two suspense account. Number two. One subsidiary book or one account wrongly totaled. Example, purchase returns book under total by Well, dear students, purchase returns, it is always great balance. When they are totaling the purchase returns book, they total 100 rupees. 100 rupees purchase returns book under total. It was totaled wrongly total. When they are totaling, they have taken 100 rupees less. Purchase returns always create balance. So it must be created because there is shortage. Well, dear students, if debit side is more, you have to take it on credit side so as to rectify. When credit side is more, you have to take it on debit side. But whenever there is a shortage, you must take on the same side. There is purchase returns credit side 100 rupees short. So it must be created. It must be created. We don't know what about debit. That must be the suspense. That must be the suspense. So suspense account debtor to purchase returns account. Well, dear students, following or not? Any subsidy book, if it is wrongly totaled, automatically it will be affected in the account, in the ledger book. Why? Because the purchase returns total, the same total will be transferred to the purchase returns account on credit side in the name of by sundries. By sundries. You have taken here 100 less means automatically 100 is less in the purchase returns account. Purchase returns always created. So it must be created. Suspense account debtor to purchase returns. One account is not posted. One account not posted. Legal expenses paid, not posted in the ledger. Well, dear students, whenever you paid legal expenses, it is already entered in the cash book. Once it is entered in the cash book, automatically it is entered in cash account. Why? Cash book itself be a cash account. Understanding or not? The legal expenses already paid. It is already recorded in the cash book. Cash book entered means automatically cash account also entered. So you have to enter only in the legal expenses account in the ledger book. Legal expenses account debtor. Legal expenses always debit. So legal expenses account debtor. To suspense account. Well, dear students, legal expenses account debtor to cash. Why I have not taken cash? It is already entered in the cash book. Cash book entered means cash account also entered. We have to enter only in the legal expenses account. You may have a doubt. Sir, how can you say that it is entered in the cash book? Legal expenses paid, not posted in the ledger. In the ledger only not posted. That means it is already recorded in the cash book. Clear? Cash book lo already రాశారయ్యా. లెడ్జర్ బుక్ లోకి వెళ్ళి లీగల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అకౌంట్ లో రాయటం మర్చిపోయారు. క్యాష్ బుక్ లో రాశారంటే క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ లో కూడా రాసినట్లే. కనుక మీరు లీగల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అకౌంట్ లోనే రాయాలి. లీగల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అకౌంట్ డెటార్ టు సస్పెన్స్ అకౌంట్. నెక్స్ట్, one account wrongly posted. Either amount are on wrong side. Sales to X 100 rupees, credited to X account. Sales to X 100 rupees, credited to X account. When we sold to X account debtor to sales, X account debtor to sales, X must be debited, but they wrongly credited to X. Understanding? X account debtor to sales, it is already recorded in the sales book. That means already entered in the sales account also. But when you are debiting in X account, you wrongly credited to X. Understanding? So X must be debited. They wrongly credited to X, that also be debited so as to rectify. So X must be debited twice. X account debtor to suspense. We have to take double amount. Why we have to take double? X must be debited and they wrongly credited X, that must be debited again so as to rectify. So X double amount to debit cheyali. X account debtor to suspense account. Well, dear student, same transaction, sales to X, wrong amount posted. Same transaction, for example, sales to X, 100 rupees, posted to X as 10 rupees only. Well, dear students, sales to X, X account debtor to sales. We know already journal entry. It is already recorded in the sales book correctly. When they are posting in the X account, when they are posting in the ledger book, X account is there. In the X account, instead of 100, they have taken only 10 rupees. How much short they have taken? 110. Instead of taking 100, they have taken 10 only, means 90 short. Which side? X account always debit side. So X account must be debited with 90 rupees balance. How much short is already there? So X account debtor to suspense account. Well, dear students, following or not, please go through once again. In all these cases, suspense compulsory required. Why? Because these errors are already affected the accuracy of trial balance. The trial balance not tallied because of these errors. They are also called as one-side errors. You know only one, either debit or credit. The second must be suspense account. Understanding? Please take down. I will continue. Okay? Dear students, so far we completed 5 points. Right now I am going through 6th one. One account debited instead of crediting another account. Instead of crediting another account. Well, one account debited instead of crediting another account. Take an example. Purchases from X or purchases from Ram 1000 rupees debited to Syam. Well, dear students, we purchased it from Ram. What is the journal entry? Purchases accounted are to Ram account. Ram account must be created, but they wrongly debited to Syam. Understand? Which account must be created? Ram must be created. Purchases accounted are to Ram. Ram must be created. So we have to credit to Ram. Unnecessarily they debited Syam now. That must be also be created so as to cancel. So what you can write down? Suspense account debtor to Ram. Ram must be created. They wrongly debited to Syam. Also be created. Understanding? So total suspense is debit 2000. Well, dear students, I am going through last one. Reverse to this point. One account created instead of debiting another account. Well, yes, students, one account created instead of debiting another account. Go through example. Same I am writing. Purchases from Ram 1000 entered in sales book. Entered in sales book. Purchases from Ram entered in sales book, but personal account correctly posted. Personal account correctly posted. Well, dear students, when we purchase goods, I already told here, purchase account are to Ram. Instead of entering in purchase book, it is wrongly entered in sales book. That means sales is created. Entered in sales book means it must be created automatically. Sales always created. So they never entered in purchases. Purchases must be debited. They wrongly entered in sales. That also be debited. Following or not? Hello? Purchases means purchase always debited. Purchase accounted or. They wrongly entered in sales. Sales is a credit balance. For its cancellation, it must be debited. So purchases account debtor. Sales account debtor. To suspense. Hello, why we never taken Ram account? Purchase to Ramna. Why we have not taken Ram? Personal account correctly posted. Ram account correctly posted. Only by mistake it is entered in sales instead of debit, instead of purchase. Understand? So these are all the models. So many other models are also there. Hello. కరెక్ట్గా చేయాలి అంటే ఒకే మోడల్ ఉంటుందండి. మిస్టేక్ చేయడానికి సో మెనీ వేస్ ఆర్ దేర్. తప్పులు చేయడానికి ఎన్నో మార్గాలు ఉంటాయి. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఎర్రర్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మిస్టేక్స్ మేడ్, ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ డెబిట్ అండ్ క్రెడిట్, no suspense account is needed. Only when there is debit or credit, automatically suspense account is needed. Understand? Or you can remember first part 1, they never affected trial balance. They are not disclosed by trial balance. Generally such errors are made in generalizing, so automatically suspense account not needed, not required. But whenever an error made effect to trial balance accuracy, that means trial balance not tallied, so automatically suspense account compulsorily required. Understanding? Please take down, we will do one problem. Okay? Please write down. Well, dear students, look at the board. Here problem is there, I am doing here. Here, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూస్తూ సొల్యూషన్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? The trial balance is debit short by 308 rupees. 308 rupees. There is a debit short in trial balance when they prepared. Trial balance prepared, they got debit short. Number 1, the following errors are located. Sales to Madhav 102 posted to his account 120 rupees. Sales to Madhav. Madhav account debtor to sales. Madhav account debtor. Madhav account must be debited with 102, but they wrongly debited 120. Understanding? Only the error made in Madhav account. It must be debited by 102, but they wrongly debited 120. That means 18 rupees excess is there debit side in Madhava. Understand? So Madhava account must be credited. Suspense account debtor to Madhava or Madhav. How much excess is there? 18 rupees. I am not writing narration, just you can write down. Being Madhav account is over posted, that is now rectified. Number 2, 100 rupees being total of discount allowed, credited to discount received account. Discount received account, credited to discount. That means discount received. Discount allowed always debited. It must be debited, but they wrongly credited to discount received account. So it must be debited again. So as to rectify, so as to cancel. Understanding? Discount allowed always debited. So discount allowed account debtor. How much total? 100 rupees. 100 rupees. They wrongly created, that is a discount received account. That also be debited 100 rupees to suspense account. ₹200. Okay. Next, 275 rupees paid by Madhava to us. Madhava came here. He is waiting. He paid 275 now. What is the entry? Cash account debtor to Madhava. Madhava must be credited. Instead of crediting Madhava, they credited to Jadava. Madhav must be credited. But they credited Jadhav. So Jadhav must be debited to cancel. So here no suspense and thrilling. Babu, suspense ఏం లేదు. మాధవ్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, పొరపాటున వాడు జాదవ్ని క్రియేట్ చేశారు. అండర్స్టాండింగ్? అదే మాధవ్ని క్రెడిట్ చేయబోయి జాదవ్ని కనుక డెబిట్ చేస్తుంటే సస్పెన్స్ వస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండింగ్? మాధవ్ మస్ట్ బి క్రియేటెడ్. దే రాంగ్లీ క్రియేటెడ్ టు జాదవ్. సో జాదవ్ అకౌంట్ డెటార్ టు మాధవ్. How much? 275. Next, 26 rupees paid for stationery appeared in cash book. In the cash book, by stationery, credit side is already there. In the cash book, stationery is there means it is already entered in cash account also, because cash book is itself a cash account. So where you have to enter again? In the ledger, we have to open a stationery account, we have to write down. Stationery is an expenditure, it is a nominal account, all expenses are debit. Stationery account at all to cash. In the cash already credit side is there. So stationery account must be debtor, it must be debited. Stationery account debtor. To suspense. We are not writing cash. Why? Because it is already entered in cash book. So, please read the sentence or the error what it is made sincerely. Where the mistake is done, you have to find. There only you have to rectify. Unnecessarily don't go through another account. ఇక్కడ తప్పు జరిగితే అక్కడెక్కడో చేస్తారా రెక్టిఫికేషన్? అయ్యా ఈ మిషన్కి రిపేర్ వస్తే ఆ మిషన్కి రిపేర్ చేస్తారా? అన్న హలో బ్రదర్స్ అదేమన్నా అండర్స్టాండింగ్? Stationery must be debited. Stationery debtor. It is already entered in cash account. So don't write cash account, it must be suspense. How much? 26 rupees. Last and final. Purchase book is under total undercast by 100 rupees. Purchase are always debit side. Debit side short. So you have to take debit side only. I told you already. Debit short means you have to take debit side only. Debit excess means you have to take credit side. Clear? Yeah. So purchase always debit now. There is shortage now. Purchase must be debited. To suspense. Well, dear students, already 5 errors are there that we already rectified. Now, if we prepare suspense account, it must be closed. Number 1, suspense account debtor to Madhava. Or first we will write down there is a debit shortage of 308. So debit side you can write down difference in trial balance or balance brought down 308 rupees. Suspense account debtor to Madhav. So you have to write down suspense account debtor to Madhav. 18 rupees. Next, here suspense account is created by discount allowed 100, by discount received also 100. Next, here there is no suspense. Don't write here. Suspense account is not neither debited nor credited. So no need to write down. Stationery debtor to suspense. Suspense is created by stationery. 26 rupees. Last and final. Purchase account debtor to suspense. Here also suspense is created by purchases. 100 rupees. How much total here? 326. Here also total how much? 326. The suspense account is closed. It is cleared. What it means? Why the difference came? The difference came 308 rupees. Why? These are the reasons. That errors are already rectified. So suspense account is closed. But sometimes suspense account may not be closed. Then what you can understand? Still there are errors which you have to find. suspense account not tallied means still there are errors. So you have to again find them. Then you can rectify. Then only suspense account will be closed. Clear or not? Understanding or not? Please write down and take down. Any doubt you can ask. And in the next class, either this only will continue or we'll go through a new topic. Okay? See you all. Thank you all. Okay, bye.